Hi everybody, this is Tom Atienza from Kobus Services, and this week I'm back in Kalamazoo, Michigan with the guys from SWT Excavating. SWT Excavating, if you remember guys, was the company that purchased the first Kobus Pipe Puller 400 that came to the United States just over a year ago. They've been using the machine non-stop. They've done about 600 pulls, very successful time for them. And they've got another contract in Jackson for another 100, which actually interferes with the contract they're working on now. So they've came to us and purchased a second unit, which I'll be delivering this week. The only reason I'm here is not for training, because they're all fully trained, but to adapt the puller to the excavator of the choice. This is a service that we also provide to any of our customers, and I will keep you posted, and I'll put some videos when I can. See you later. Bye-bye. So this is the new Kobus Pipe Puller that SWT has purchased. I want to explain a little bit about the fixing method for different excavators. This one, as you see now, would be prepared to fit on an excavator the size of an E20, for example, where you just drive the pins into the boom directly. In our case, we're gonna have to fit it into this machine, which is an E45, and for that reason, in order to make a quick change, we had to purchase the quick adapter that is from Bobcat. Unfortunately for Bobcat, there's no access inside the plate, so for that reason we had to manufacture an intermediate plate, as you can see here, that will get attached into the quick hitch, and then we will onto it attach the Kobus adapter for bigger excavators. This one will go inside the middle plate with countersunk screws and then bolt into the quick hitch, so the machine, our Kobus Pipe Puller, will be ready for quick hitching at any time. Every excavator manufacturer has got their different quick hitch. Unfortunately for Bobcat, the access inside the plate is restricted, therefore, as I said earlier, we need a middle plate. For other excavators such as John Deere or Komatsu, you don't have a problem. We can bolt the adapter plate straight into the quick hitch. So let us know which excavator you plan to use, and we will make the modifications for you. The other unique feature of the Bobcat is that both hydraulic takings for the auxiliary are on the same side of the boom, and therefore we had to create two more hoses to extend the current hoses that are on the Kobus Pipe Puller. But we can adapt any machine to any excavator. Just let us know and we'll do it for you. So this is how the attachment looks like for a Bobcat model. As mentioned earlier, you need the quick hitch plate, which is supplied by Bobcat. Then, in order to fit the adapter that comes with the Kobus Pipe Puller, in this occasion we need an intermediate plate. The adapter will attach to the intermediate plate with countersunk screws, and then the intermediate plate goes directly into the Bobcat flat face connector, and then you got now a machine that quick hitch releases anytime, so you can grab the bucket when you need it. The other thing that obviously we had to do is redirect the hydraulics to the same side, because, as I said, the hydraulics on the Bobcat are both on the same side of the boom. So now we got the Pipe Puller 400 attached to a Bobcat E45 ready to work. So this is the other machine that SWT has got. This is the first machine that came to the United States in July 17. This machine is done over 600 pulls, and as you can see, it's still in the same condition, lacking a bit of paint of course, but in the same condition as it was when it was delivered. It hasn't faulted at all. We just got it in here to give it a quick check over, a quick service, and it'll be out on service again first thing tomorrow morning. So this other Kobus Pipe Puller 400 that they have been using for the last year and a half has been attached to a 35D John Deere, and as you can see, the attachment to that excavator compared to the Bobcat is a lot easier. Our adapter plate, which comes with the machine, screws directly into the John Deere quick release plate. It's a lot easier, a lot quicker than the Bobcat. time here in Kalamazoo has come to an end. The second machine, the bot, is running very smooth, very nice, and the first machine has been serviced and is again like new. Now if you want to know more about our company or the Kobus Pipe Puller, you want to maybe perhaps book a trial, let us know. Drop me an email at tom@kobusservices.com or give me a call on the number that you'll see on the titles a bit later on. From here, off to Milwaukee, have some trials with a new customer. You'll be very interested. If you haven't subscribed, do it now, you will not regret it. Bye bye.